Here's the book, How to Use the Insta360 X5. You open the book and you'll see a fantastic photograph that illustrates the capabilities, also the introduction and the table of contents that list all that you can learn from this book, and also about the Insta360 X5 and how to use this guide. You'll begin with step 1, getting to know your Insta360 X5, what all the buttons are for, as well as navigating the Insta360 X5. You'll learn about quick capture, the touch screen, voice control, gesture control, twist to shoot, taking care of the Insta360 X5, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and also care for the Insta360 X5. Step 2, you'll learn about the settings, the single lens mode, the recording videos, the video options, Insta frame, bullet time, road time, single lens video, free frame video, the me mode, loop, and the big three video settings. And other settings. The big three video settings are resolution, the frames per second, as well as the aspect ratio. And as you move along, you'll see examples in the book, and also the digital lenses for the field of view. Moving along, you'll learn about horizontal lock, stabilization, time capture, pre-recording, advanced video settings. You'll learn how to use video settings for 360 video modes, and then you'll move into the taking photos section for photo mode, photo 360, burst, photo single lens, and other photo settings. Moving into time-lapse modes, time shift video, time-lapse mode, interval, star-lapse mode, live stream modes, and shortcut menu and camera settings. You'll have many options here, and then you'll move to step 3 about mounting, and basics of mounting and how to protect the lens, mounting elements, and how to mount the X5 for invisible pole effect, buckles, extension pole, and the best mounts, which may include adhesive mount variations. You'll learn how to use a handheld pole, as well as the monopod and the mounted extension pole, and you'll learn action POV mounts if you're like to bicycle in the woods. Okay, then you'll learn in step 4 how to capture your action. Pay attention to lighting, cinematic 360 tips, perspective and angle, camera mount, and pan shots, dollies, pedestals, tracking shots, follow shots, tilt shots. You'll learn about the 16 camera video transitions and setting up your 360 shots, and then trick shots. There are several examples of trick shots for action, wide angle lens, stitch lines, exposure. You'll learn about battery life and external power, and a little bit about overheating and using the GPS and vlogging. You'll learn X5 basics for the traveler, X5 for the sports enthusiast, and for real estate. And then for step 5, you'll get into creation. And you'll learn a few things before you start editing, and then you'll get into the meat and potatoes of editing and mobile editing and the various settings for that. You'll learn about ultra wide angle, tiny planet, and traditional video. As you move along through the book, you'll learn about desktop video editing. And if you enjoy editing as much as I do, you'll be pleasantly surprised as to what you can do and how dynamic it is. You'll learn how to edit 360 time-lapse video, as well as editing and star-lapse. You'll be pulling frame grabs and color correction as you move along. And you will be editing frame photos and single lens mode photos. And finally, you'll learn how to share it, sharing different types of files, 360 files, and you'll learn how to post and do 360 photo sharing, and then VR headset viewing, website embedding, virtual tours, photo printing, and other type things. Finally, step 7, beyond the basics, you'll learn how to do the X5 underwater, portable lighting, and off the grid X5 setup, and you will learn you are limitless in your imagination in using the Insta360 X5.